in our veins. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Kutamika Mubani.
Kutwa mina ukama Fistos aka Slicer Tsotsi from Greater Embalande Secunda.
Slicer Tsotsi mfethu ngicela ukubuza a very technical game today. It looks like both teams didn't want to lose. What do you think of today's game?
Eish. Brian mina kufika lana ngifika la ngiyazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi Orlando Pirates yenze into esijwayele yabona. So but anyway abafowethu badlalili amaphutha ayebekhona lapha nalapha but mina angifuni ukuthi lento bathi ba blame coach because la ngaphakathi bantu bathi ba coach udlala ngathi and that thing I don't like it and ucoach unika wonke umuntu ichance ukuthi adlale. Mina for my side Orlando Pirates idlale kahle bra yami sihluleka la sihluleke khona but thina into esiyaziyo sizela ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns asisabi le game isoyinqoba.
Thank you, Peter. So looking at today's game, man of the match kungayinika bani today?
I am man of the match wami. Lentwana leshayile goal 90.
Cameron Dancing.
It's the one I can give him a man of the match.
Slicer Tsotsi ngiyabonga nemfowethu. Thank you, Putamba. This is PSL Pulse. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.